Asking questions using WH questions and auxiliaries do, does. When we ask questions using the auxiliaries do and does, there are certain rules to remember. 1. The auxiliaries do, does belong to the present tense. Therefore, the actions that you refer to happen in present tense. They are routinary actions or facts. 2. The auxiliaries are used according to the subject. We use do with I, you, we, and they. We use does with he, she, and it. 3. When we ask questions in English in simple present tense, we place first the auxiliary. For example, do you speak French? In this sentence, the auxiliary verb comes first, and then we add the subject, the verb, and the complement. 4. When we use the auxiliaries, the verb does not change as it happens in the affirmative form. For example, does she come home? If you notice, the verb come remains in its infinitive form because the auxiliary verb tells us the tense in which the action happens. We don't add a final S even though the subject is third person. In this case, she. Five. WH questions are words used to ask for particular information. The most common WH questions are what, where, when, who, why, and how. When we ask questions in simple present tense using WH questions, we simply start by adding the WH question or word, then the auxiliary, the subject, the verb, and the complement. For example, when does Martha go to work? In this example, we see clearly the position and the order of the elements previously described. WH word when, auxiliary does, subject Martha, verb go, complement to work. Remember these rules and don't forget to practice. I hope you get it. Thank you and see you soon.